Hey guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. For our marble cake, we will first combine our baking powder and flour. Next, we will cream our butter with a paddle attachment. We will then add in 200 grams of sugar until our butter and sugar has creamed together. Next, we will then add in our eggs one at a time while constantly scraping the sides of the bowl. Once all our eggs has been added, we will then allow this to come together until it's light and fluffy. Once combined, we will then add in our dry ingredients into 3 parts alternately with our 50 grams of milk. We will mix this just until incorporated. To avoid overmixing the batter, we will just fold our batter by hand to combine everything. We will then take a small portion of our batter, around 1/4 of the mixture. To that, we will add in our cocoa powder. To get that marble effect, we will then just spread our vanilla and chocolate batter in the baking tin. And then with the use of a toothpick or stick, we will swirl them together. Bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And that's it, our moist and buttery marble cake. If you have questions or requests, just drop them down in the comment section or message me on my socials that's linked in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again next week. Happy baking!